we have the following functions with respect to x. First one, let's try the symbol integral sign. Then the next thing to do is for us to do the expansion for 1 minus sq. Do the expansion for that 1 minus sq, and close the bracket and then square that. So if you do the expansion, we're going to have 1 then minus 2x x to the power 6. Open and close the brackets, dx. Okay, how did I know? Without wasting time, you can just use this one, a minus b squared will be equal to a squared plus 2ab minus 2ab. So that's what I use for that. I know that will be invisible 2 here, and then this is my a, this is my, the last one, you square that. So if you do the integral for that, we are going to have integral of 1 with respect to the function, we have x, then this will be minus 2x, the 3 plus 1, that's 4 over 4, then plus the 6, the power of 6 plus 1, that's 7 plus 7, then plus the constants. So on the final note, we're going to have x minus over 4, that's 1 over 2, x to the power 4, plus 1 over 7, 7 of c. So that finished that for that first question. The second one, integral of 1 plus 5x all squared a. Do the expansion for this one also. Don't forget the x. We do the expansion, so this will be 1 plus 2 times 5x, that's 10x, and then plus 5x all squared, that's 25. Apply these a minus properly to make it work fast. Then we can do the integral, which will be equal to integral of 1 respect to the function. We have this 10x. If we integrate that, that will be 10x. There's 1 here, so plus 1, making 2 over 2. That's plus 5x squared, plus 5x squared. And then the third one, that will be 25. That 25 is the constant. We are just adding 1 to the exponent of that function. That will be x to the power over 3 plus c. Then let me quickly chip in all this one. 25x squared, integral of that will be equal to 25, will be outside the bracket, the x squared dx. So that's that on that case. Let's take the last one. Because of our time, I want you to also try this and drop the answer at the comment section. Try this, drop the answer at the comment section. Try this one, and let's see your response to this third one. Okay, try it. Do it. Let's see your response to that. Okay, questions will continue. If you're new on the channel, please smash the watermarks on the video. Click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Don't stop there. You need to share the links of this video across your different platforms. Share to your classmates, okay, your family on different platforms. And don't forget, in case you need tutoring, they'll tailor the course according to your material. You can check my email for consultation, okay, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp. Thank you. See you next.